friends, welcome to Happy Girl. Today I am going to unbox a game which I bought for my daughter. It's called Fun Magnetic Shapes. It's been made by Panda. This is an award-winning concept. It comes under 400 bucks. I have provided the Amazon link from where you can buy it in the description section. You can buy it from there. Let's carry on to the next slide where I'll show you how this box unfolds.
Panda Fun Magnetic Shapes is with 200 pattern book, a magnetic board, a display stand, and a 44 magnetic shapes of different kinds. It has circle, square, diamond, triangle. This is an award-winning concept by Panda, created by NID and IIT IDC. If you see, it's totally made in India, costed me under 400 bucks. All across we have patterns. It's a cardboard board, easily decomposable, fun creative tool for all the kids up to 5 to 99 years of age. Anyone can play, adults and kids. Now let's go inside the box to see how the things look like. You see the beautiful, vibrant colors, pink, yellow, green, blue, orange. This is a pattern book, more than 200 shapes, animals, fruits, buildings, vehicles, flowers, all are there. You can choose any one of them, easy to difficult. This is a stand. I'll just show you how to assemble it very quickly. It's very easy. You can do it in 3 seconds, and then you can just put the board there just for the display. Whatever your kid creates out of his or her creativity, you can display it for all to see. This is a foam stencil. You can just pop up any one of the shapes and play around. After playing, you can keep it back so that you don't lose these things. Now I'm just creating some random structure to show you how easy it is to create any shape, whatever you want. Easily removable, easily you can attach it. Circles can be used as eyes, diamonds can be used as hands and legs. This is just a random, this is not in the pattern book as well. So there are endless patterns which can be created by this. Easily removable from the stencil, and I'll just put it on the stand so you can easily view it basically. Beautiful, isn't it? Let your kid choose whatever he or she wants. They can design anything. They can grasp the pieces, they can feel the pieces. It will cultivate the problem solving skills. So I'm just putting the pieces back in the stencil to show you how easy it is. And it's very important for your kid to show once the game is over, all has to be put back into the stencil. This will cultivate discipline as well as things needs to be back as neatly as can. I'm just showing you diamond shape of thing to show you how it feels. It's very light, very soft. Kids want to press it so they can feel it properly. Colors are chosen very intelligently by the team, NID team. I'm just putting it back just to show you a board, how the box looks like. It's very neat, very clean. All the shapes.
हेलो,
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं ये गेम खेल रही हूँ।
क्या नाम है इस गेम का? क्या करते हैं हम लोग इस गेम में?
हम इसमें बना सकते हैं स्पाइडर, बटरफ्लाई, crocodile, फिश, डक, वेब,
अभी आप क्या बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
हाउस.
हाउस, ठीक है, बनाओ.
As you can see, my daughter is totally engrossed in her activity, or let's say in her creativity. She is just building anything out of these blocks, right from what you can think: a bird, a house, a flower, a knife, a fruit, even a rocket. Kids can let their imaginations go wild with these shapes. And this is suitable for both boys and girls. The real magic happens when they don't follow a pattern. They just start creating things on their own when they're in their own world. It improves their geometric and spatial understanding. Kids pick up, pinch, and grasp pieces and move them around. This leads to fine motor development and hand-eye coordination. To me, as a parent, this is an excellent toy which keeps the child busy as well as which lets the child to grow. If you see, the images are being popped in the right hand side of the screen. This is a rocket which I, along with her, created. From rocket we came to the butterfly. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I leave you here with few moments. Enjoy and do buy this product from Amazon. I have shared the link below. Thanks a lot.